Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. I've just pulled this lovely Benelli 252C out of store and just to get it going, and it was only running on with choke on. As soon as I turned the choke off, it was shut down. It's running really bad. So basically last night I pulled the airbox off and had the carbs off, and it's usually just the main jet, which is quite simple. You take the float bowl off underneath, which is this piece here. You undo that, and that was fully gummed up in the bottom. That's old two-stroke fuel mixture. So I just took out the jets and cleaned them with a prodder, really a very fine wire prodder, and there was some residue in one of the big jets, and I put it all back together again, which took about an hour. Connected all the fuse back up, and this is going to be the first start. I'm hoping it's going to go. It's stone cold, as you can see, absolutely stone cold. I have not fired it up, but it did when I put it away I would say about a year ago. But there we go. This is a lovely Benelli 252C Electronica. Quite an old bike now, 40 odd years old, from 1981 I believe. Really nice bikes these. Just makes a change from the Suzuki GT250 or the RD from Yamaha. Quirky bike, very rare. Got some lovely features like this lift up seat. It's very difficult doing it in one hand. There we go. The seat actually lifts up, so that's quite smart. There. Right, so I'll put the fuel on. I will fire it up. So it's got two fuel taps and a choke here, so that's got to go on. Same on the other side. So fuel on, and the choke's a bit difficult here. You can just about see it. You got to clip that up there. There we go. Ignition is down here on this bike. Now it should fire. I'm pleased with that. Now that did not fire on the right hand side at all last night. I think I have to turn the chokes off now. Get into that one. That's running very sweet, and it's actually ticking over. And I did not do that at all yesterday. Oh, that smell of blue smoke is beautiful. Now everything works on this bike. Great bike actually. Brake lights, indicators. Love it. It's been restored at some stage. I've shown it before in a video. In my channel, sorry. Brilliant. There we go. Wow, that's nice. Pleased with that now. So, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be many more to follow. Cheers.